कितले अशे त्रास जाले तुमकां थंय म्हणजे
No, no. They didn't do anything for us. Like non-Manipuri students were not harmed at all. The clashes were only between the Manipuri tribes. So we were not in danger. But the situation was such that everything was all haphazard and this was new to us. So we were also scared. By looking at our fellow students, they were like also scared to death. So it was a very life and death situation. So that's why I wanted to get out from that state as soon as possible. And I would like to thank Dr. Pramod Sawant, sir, CM Goa, for making this all arrangement, and also Dr. A.K. Goan, Goa Range Police. He also helped me a lot, and also from the CRPF team, especially Sir Deepak sir and also Manohar Singh sir and his team. They helped me a lot, so I'm thanking them once again. Thank you.
by the
Panicked about her condition over there, because most of the students from the Manipur hostel has left to their native places. I called Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, and immediately he responded to me, stating that you don't worry, you just relax. I will see that I will get her back to Goa safely. So accordingly, he advised me to do all your necessary formalities to get her back. Immediately we took the ticket and forwarded to CM's office. Then CM's office contacted with the DG Goa Police, and is given us standing instruction to get our daughter Suvidya immediately from Manipur back to Goa. And on 5th morning today, early morning at 4:45 p.m., CRPF personals with a bulletproof car escorted her to the Imphal airport. And in the morning at 9 o'clock, she boarded the flight. We are wholeheartedly thankful to Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister of State of Goa,